Guys, little updates. Let me turn this on. Where the hell is the front-facing camera on this new phone? Sorry, I got a new phone, guys, and the S22 is kind of bizarre looking at it. I guess the camera is right here. Am I looking at it? Am I looking at you guys? All right. So anyways, I got a few updates. Big news for the Dodge Charger. Okay, big news. You ready? What do we got here? We got gaskets. We got Hellcat lifters. We got, Texas Speed cam. We got our MDS plugs. Got a lot going on here. Got a lot. Ooh, close that back up so the wife doesn't see it. Yeah, boy. So anyways, yeah. More content coming. That's what that means. So I'm going to be actually doing a step-by-step. It's a Texas Speed Cam Stage 3, okay? Stage 3, and we got the MDS Delete, Hellcat lifters, the phase lock kit, hardened push rods, new springs. It's going to be good, man. It's going to be good. And I'll be walking through it with you on the 5.7 liter Dodge Charger. I got a 2013 that's ready and going. The only thing I'm waiting on is a tuner and headers, okay? And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to get everything together. I want to put in realistically what is actually needed, right? So you got the kit, right? Fine. But you're leaving out the other stuff too, right? Coolant. Important. Oil. New spark plugs. Maybe some new boots for the coil packs. These are certain things that you'll need, and I have my mess of a shelf here in workstation, but I actually have all 16 Bosch, so it's ready to go. Sorry again for the mess in my garage right now. It's very small. It's a little workspace, but hey, it gets the job done, right? So that's what we're working with, and I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step. I just wanted to put some footage on my YouTube because it's been overdue, right? I've been mainly on the TikTok stuff because I rapidly gained some followers there, so I started putting a lot more of my focus on there. So I'm going to start focusing a little bit more on the YouTube stuff right now, because this summer is going to have a lot of events, a lot of cool stuff going on. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, just pressing more on waiting for more parts. I'm waiting for an HP tuner. That HP tuner, the tune is actually going to come from Satera Tuning. I support the local businesses, so we're going to work together on that and getting a nice tune for some drivability before we're actually like putting the power down, right? So I'm hoping that we can obviously be in the mid 400s on naturally aspirated rear wheel horsepower. I'm not going to expect too much, right? So we'll see what happens. I want some of that chop, and it's going to sound good. So I'm actually going to also buy Borla S-Type mufflers. And you guys might be, well, go loud. I don't want loud. Once you put that stage 3 in, guys, it is going to be really loud. And I mean really loud, guys. Like, I can't even express how loud it's going to be, because right now it's straight. The cats is the only resistance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put S-type mufflers in on both sides, obviously, equal length, and I'll kind of do a short video on that too, on putting those in. Okay, so in the meantime, here's my update. This is what's happening. Big things, right? And yeah, we're gonna get some more power out of that small 5.7 and make some of these SRT guys a little surprised. Stay tuned.